Hey everyone, so today I'm with my friend Haley, and I'll leave her channel down below, and we are going to do our top 8 favorite squishies from my collection. So let's just get started. I'm going to go first. So my favorite squishy at the moment is this Hello Kitty powdered sugar donut. This looks like this. That's my favorite squishy.
My favorite squishy is the Ibloom orange. And it's super duper squishy, and this is just kind of what it looks like.
My second favorite is this Jumbo Ibloom peach. It's just so squishy. There's that one. So that's for my second one.
My second one is the Ibloom English bread. It's super squishy and really big.
For my third one, I have this Cafe Sakura croissant. And it's not very squishy, but I really like it.
My third is the Ibloom chocolate shortcake. It's super squishy.
And then my fourth one is this Punimaru tiger bun. And this is like the non-reproduced, so it's not super squishy. And I do have the packaging. Here's the acrylic tag.
My fourth is the mini Ibloom peach. And it's super duper squishy.
Then my fifth one is this Ibloom bread ball. And this is quite rare now. This is the sugar design. So there's that one.
Let me do the packaging now. Okay. So then my fifth is the Hello Kitty cream puff chocolate. Hello Kitty chocolate cream puff or whatever sprinkles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then my sixth, here's the box, is the strawberry cream puff. It just looks like this. And this is so squishy. So there's that one.
My sixth is the silver taiyaki fish, and this is how squishy it is. Oh my goodness.
And then my seventh is this Hello Kitty chair cone. And this is so cute. I want to collect all of them. So there's that one. Okay.
My seventh is this Kiritori in a cat costume, and it's so small. And squishy.
And then my last one is number 8, and it's this little Twin Stars heart macaron. It's so cute and adorable, and I love it. So there's that one. That's my last one. Haley, stop.
My last one is the cat.
Okay, you can go on.
What's it called again?
Pom Pom Pern.
Sorry, Pom Pom Pern, and yeah, and I really just like it, and it's so super squishy.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below if I should do more videos with her. And yeah.